Hey yo, I been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been storm. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using this pre-stretch hair. The length is 36 inches and the color is 1B. I will be using a total of 3.5 packs. My hair has been previously washed, stretched, and well prepared for this hairstyle I'm about to do. As usual, I like to section off about a third of my hair in the front, and I'll tie it away with a hair tie or braid it something, whatever, and work on the back section first. Today I've decided to do 2 big plaits in order to keep my hair nice and straight while I work on the back section. I always start off by parting out a section in the back of my hair. I've seen people braid their hair from the front, but that's not me. I have to braid my hair from the back. That's how I learned to braid my hair. I will be doing this section in 4, and I'll be using my Shine Jam to moisturize and help to hold the hair together as I braid the synthetic hair with my natural hair. I will be showing you guys up closely what I'm doing. First, I split the hair in 2 pieces, one bigger than the other, and then I loop them around each other. I know it's a little bit blurry and I do apologize. My camera was focusing on my head instead of my hand. I'm really not sure how to explain to you guys what I'm doing, but if you watch closely, you might be able to comprehend exactly what it is I'm doing. While holding the synthetic hair in my right hand, I grab my hair at the root and I start to braid it as if I was doing a cornrow. In order to get good at this, you guys, you have to practice, and you probably want to practice without the synthetic hair first before you start practicing with the synthetic hair. Also, it would be a good idea to practice on somebody else's hair or on a doll or on a mannequin head, but I highly suggest you practice somewhere else before trying to learn to do it in your hair. I will be showing you about 3 more times how to grip it at the root. And the reason why I'm showing you multiple times how to is because a lot of people has been requesting this tutorial. So if you're one of those people who want to learn how to grip it at the root, then please pay close attention. Again, you want to split the hair in 2 pieces, one side bigger than the other. Place your pointing finger and middle finger in between the hair as you see me doing here. Then move that piece from your left hand in between your pointing and middle finger, and that's how you hold the hair and get it ready to grip your root. Again, you want to grab the hair tightly at the root and start braiding it as if you're doing a cornrow. I know it seems hard, but I promise you when you get it, you're gonna be so surprised at how easy it is. I have a lot of people been sending me message telling me that because of me, they could do their braids now. And I am so happy to see all them messages and comments. So you know what? Just keep doing you, girl. One day you're gonna get it. After placing your pointing finger and middle finger in between the hair, you want to put that piece from your left hand in between your pointing finger and middle finger. Now grip your hair tightly at the roots using your pointing finger and thumb finger, and then you want to start your braid off as if you was doing a cornrow. And for the last time, just watch closely as I demonstrate. And just in case this is your first time watching one of my braids tutorial, I never braid my hair all the way down to the end when I install them. I only do this after I'm done installing every single one of them. This is totally optional, but it works out better for me doing it this way. I could be anywhere finishing off my hair. I could be in a car, I could be on the playground, I could be at the beach. It doesn't matter. But once I'm done installing everything and I only have the ends to finish, it's a breeze from there. I've just finished pack number 1 and moving on to pack number 2. This is how far I got with pack number 1. Another important detail I want to leave with you guys: when you're parting this section of your hair, you want to part it going downward, and this will help your part to line up when you get to the top of your hair. I was really enjoying braiding my hair. I'm not even gonna lie. I was so in the mood. Not every time I'm braiding my hair, I'm in this kind of spirit as I was today. And to braid my hair this size, I have to be in a great mood. As a matter of fact, this is the first time I've braided my hair this small at this length. And will I do it again? I don't know, because believe me, it took me a long time, over 13 hours. But it was worth every single minute of it. So I don't know, y'all might see me doing this 36 inches again, maybe in a different color. So after finally installing all the hair, this is what I have left to braid, and that's exactly what I'm gonna go do now. This is me braiding the final hair, you guys. I had to get this on camera because after so long, and I was so excited, I couldn't help it. I was happy to be done. I know it was gonna look good, and I was not wrong at all. I was shaking this hair everywhere, y'all. I just couldn't help it. I already dipped the ends in hot water as I usually do, but now I'm gonna do a little bit of trimmings on the ends, and that will complete my hard day work. And there I go, showing off all this gorgeous, beautiful hair. I would love to know in the comment box, have you ever done your hair like this before, this long and small? And if not, would you ever try it? It was a lot of work, I will not lie, but it was totally worth all the time and energy I put into it. I have been taking a lot of pictures of it, so most definitely you will see them coming up on my Instagram. Because of where I'm sitting right now, I can't really show the full length of the hair in the frame, but I will be posting some video clips and pictures on my Instagram where you could see the full length much better. Anyway, you guys, please give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helped with the algorithm and helped my video to rank. Share it with your friends that you think may like it, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I read them all and I respond to them in a timely manner. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This way you won't be missing any of the fun and creative hairdos that I'll be posting in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.